Using ANSYS APDL, we are going to do the meshing of this part. You can make the model of this part in some software, say SolidWorks, and uh, save it as Parasolid format, so that we can open in ANSYS APDL. Otherwise, you can directly model in ANSYS APDL also. So I have already made the model in the Parasolid format and saved. The model has been done using SolidWorks and saved as Parasolid, and it is available. So directly I am going to do the meshing of this part. Okay. So I have saved the file. We can open directly file, import Parasolid, then so this is the part I have saved. Okay. You can, so this is the part I have saved in the Parasolid format. So you can set structural, okay, preprocessor, element type, add. So you need solid, brick node 185, okay, add. Then you have to add one more, not solved, mesh facet 200, apply or okay. Then change this options to this quad 4 node, then okay, close. Now I want to see the solid form. For that you can go to plot controls, then style, solid model facets, wireframe you can change to normal faceting, okay, then plot, replot. So the next part is, what I am going to do is, I am going to split this part into different number of segments. Wherever discontinuity is there, I am going to split everywhere. So first split I am going to make is this curve. You can see the line, this curve and this line. I am going to make a cut through so that I can split this. So go to create modeling, create areas, not areas, you can go to modeling, operate, extrude lines along lines. You can select the first curve, this curve and these three curves, okay, and after selecting this you can make OK. Then select the line to indicate the direction, then OK. So you can see that the surface has been successfully created. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to split this. You can go to operate, Boolean, divide volume by area, and I'm going to pick all. Okay, so you can see that I have made a split of the volume into two. So to see different volumes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the numbering, volume by volume numbers, then OK. Then plot volumes. Now you can see initially there was one volume, now it is divided into two. You can clearly see the color difference. Second thing, I'm going to again make the same cut along this line. So again operate, extrude, lines along lines. So select this 1, 2 and 3. You can press Ctrl and right click. Then I'm going to select this edge, then OK. Oh sorry, I made a mistake. Cancel. Again along lines. So first select 1, 2 and 3. OK. Then you select this line. OK. So now again we have to operate the Boolean volume by area. So I need to select only this volume, or we can pick all and pick all. So that is the easy way. Now the surface operations are all completed. So just we will save this, save DB. Now we need to split everything by work plane. So first you can see wherever the discontinuity, that means sharp edge is there, everywhere you have to split it. So first I am going to split through this sharp edge, that is going to split this way, and here also this way, and on this point as well as here. So once we select one plane, we will be splitting everything along the same direction. So you can fit view. Go to work plane, align with the key points. So you can select first point, second point. You can press Ctrl and right click key to rotate. Click the third point. Okay. So the object is going to split along XY plane, that is normal to Z plane. So how I have created the work plane. So first I selected this point, second this point, and third point. So that X is aligned in this direction and Y is aligned in this direction. Now I am going to divide volume by work plane. So pick all. So you can see that this particular object is divided along that work plane. Now I need to place work plane on key points. So work plane, you can offset to key points. Already alignment I have done. Now I need to just align on key points, and pick any key point, then OK. Then again volume by work plane, pick all. Okay, I made a split here. Now see, I can see here also there is a change in cross section. So I am going to split here also. Work plane, offset to key points. So pick this key point. OK. Volume by work plane, pick all. And one more thing, I want a split on this near this curvature here, there also I am going to split volume by work plane. So for that work plane, offset to key points, so on this point, okay, volume by work plane, pick all. So I think most of the work is done along this plane. Now I want to change the another direction. Okay, so that is first I will make the work plane along this plane, then I am going to slice wherever possible. So go to work plane. First I will align with key points. So first point is this one, second and third, okay. Then volume by work plane, pick all. So I made a split here. Next I am going to make a split along this key point, work plane, offset to key points on this key point, okay. Volume by work plane, pick all. Now actually I want to split on along the center of the circle also. So work plane, offset to key points, going to place here, okay. Again operate the same thing. Now I want to align in the other direction, that is on this face. So work plane align with key points. So 1, 2 and 3, okay. Now I want to first I want to make a cut through the middle of the part. So this total distance is 72, that is along Z direction. So work plane offset by increments. So here see positive Z direction is in this way, and this is in the default setting is in meter, so this is in millimeter. So 0, 0, 36e minus 3. So I moved the work plane to new location, then volume by work plane, pick all. Okay, now I want to make the split through this this key point. So work plane offset to key points, placing here, okay. Volume by work plane, pick all. Okay, I am going to save this. See, for making the symmetry, so along this direction I want to make a cut opposite to this also. So if we look at this is 72 minus 50, that is here 22. So 22 again here 22, 44 plus 28, 44 plus 28, right? So right now this is my work plane location, and Z is in this direction. So I will move 28 to positive Z. So work plane offset by increments 0, 0, 28 E minus 3. Okay. Now again volume by work plane pick all. Now also I want to cut along these sharp edges. Here also I have one sharp edge here, another one sharp edge here. So work plane offset to key points, this point, okay, volume by work plane pick all. And here also I want to align work plane offset to key points on this point, okay, volume by work plane pick all. Save DB. I think actually I want to cut again through this edge also here. So again work plane offset to key points. So I will make the key point here, volume by work plane pick all, and one more split I want to make on this point as well. So work plane offset to key points on this point as well, okay, volume by work plane pick all. Now the splitting is completed. You can save as file, save as, let us say split 220225. Okay. So now we are going to start the meshing. Okay, then go to meshing, mesh tool. First I am going to divide some of the lines. Go to lines, set, this edge I want some 24 numbers, 24 or 12 will do, 12, okay, and this line also some 12, okay. I think I will first make some rough line segment everywhere. So this, if you want to deselect, you can one time you can right click. Okay, same thing. Work plane I want to align with the global Cartesian. Okay, now just I want to see how the meshing look like. So for that I want to make a rough mesh here. Oh, I think I have to make one more split here, okay, along this line as well as this line. Okay, here I need a split, so before meshing I need to complete that. Close, I think resume DB. Okay, so work plane align with the key points. So let me make a alignment. Okay, now Boolean divide volume by work plane, pick all. Work plane offset to key points, this key point. Okay, volume by work plane, pick all. Okay, then file, save as. Okay, yes. So splitting portion is over. Okay, now we will go to meshing, mesh tool. So first I'm going to check, go for areas, quad, mapped, and pick corners, mesh, select this face. Okay, then select 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, I would like to make other edges as well. Mesh, I have to turn and select proper surface. Okay, okay, similarly this is for ensuring the first I'm going to make the mesh from this area. So go to again mesh, only one surface will you have to select accurately. You can right click to change to the deselection mode. This is the most difficult part. Okay, I will pause the video, I will select it and will come back. Okay, selected. Okay, similarly go to mesh. Okay, now let me see plot elements. Okay, I have made a mesh, proper mesh the inside, plot volumes. Now I am going to sweep these volumes. Okay, go to volume. Before that, maybe we can split these two lines as well. Okay, go to line set, say this 2. Okay, 12. Okay, and okay, let us try one time to see what is happening. go to hex, sweep, sweep. Okay. I think we can make this some more finer. So let us make this 6. So go to align set. So this one, let me make 6 and see what is happening. Okay, then go to sweep again. Okay, okay. Think much better. I think I will make one more division here. Or one more division here. So let me make that set. So this was 12. I will make to 14. Sweep. Okay, yes. I think this is okay for the time being. Okay, now we will sweep one by one. So go to again sweep and select this portion here. Okay, okay, so there is a warning, so we will correct that warning by properly meshing this. Here also we will make 6. Align set. This I will make 6. Okay, and here 14. I think 14 or 12. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think this will make to 12. 12. Again, I think this 14 we have to make. Sweep. Yes. Okay, now there is no warning. Okay, now I think this is okay. Now we will again sweep this one. Again there is a warning, so we will remove those warnings. Here 14. Here I will make 12. Then again sweep. Okay, yes. So now there is no warning. Finally we will make this this as well. Okay, a warning again. Need to remove the warning. So line set. This one is 12, I think. Okay, and this one is 14. I think this is 12, and this is 14. Okay, no warning. So I want to clear the surfaces which I have initially made. So for that I will select areas, clear, pick all. Plot elements. Okay. Now we can make the meshing. Go to sweep, volume, X, sweep, sweep. So closely. Now we can directly pick. Okay, I have selected the other edges. Again go to sweep, okay. So there is a error, so we need to correct. I think this is 3 now. I will change to 4 or 6. Okay, let me change to 6. Okay, then again sweep, yes. Okay, no, there is no warning. Go to sweep, okay. Sweep, I think this also I want to make a finer mesh. This anyway there is no error message. Anyway, we will change this to something like 5, or we make 5. Sweep, yes. Okay, so far it's done. So I think I can make this also somewhat finer mesh. So go to line set. I think some three. Now I'll change to 6. Then okay. Then again sweep. Okay. If I think this is okay. It won't make any problem. I think so. I'm not going to make any finer mesh over there. So go to sweep this. Okay. Now sweep here. Okay. As far as there is no error, I'm not going to make any further modification on the mesh, because otherwise the if you want, you can make a finer mesh everywhere. Then go to again sweep. Let me see the model how it is. Plot volumes, plot elements. Okay. Okay, now again I want to sweep these things. If you want to make a finer mesh, you have to start from the beginning, then only you will get the finer mesh. I think this portion is completed. Let me plot the volume and see. Okay, so that much it is okay. I want to sweep. Okay, there is a error, so I think I may have to check some portion. Okay, I think I will clear this portion because I want to check this. Okay. Okay, I will modify this, only 6 are there. I will modify this to 12. Okay, now there is no error message, so we will save this. Okay, there are some error. I think, okay, I need to complete this part before going to the other portion, so let me clear this. This also. Let us sweep here. Yes. Plot volumes, that's okay. Okay, first we will make this portion. Here I think the error is coming. So sweep. Okay, now we can edit the required areas. I think this edge we will make 12 lines. Okay, this I will make 12, and here also let me make 12 and see. I think it is not necessary to select all the edges. Okay, I will see the mesh again. Sweep. Yes, still we need some more modification. Here we will, instead of 3, I will make something. Let me change to 2. Okay, now there is no error. I think that's what we want. Maybe if you want, we can make this one some more finer. So let me make that one. Let's make this to 14. Okay, now it's better. Maybe this also we can make 14. Let us do that before proceeding. Okay, there is a problem. So we will go back to instead of 14 we will make 13. Okay, much more better. Okay, we will not spend much time on that. So sweep. Okay. Okay, I have made this part. Oh, I think this I will clear first. I want to make oh, this also I will clear. I want to make the smallest portion first. I think this also okay. Okay, luckily there is no error. Okay, now I think that portion also done. Now almost we are going to finish. selection is always a lot of trouble is there in selecting. I think let me plot the volumes and properly select this sweep. I want this volume. Okay, it is done. Let us plot once again the volume. Okay, then sweep. So maybe this. Should I want this volume? This one. Okay, I got it. Sweep 122. So let us do the same way. Plot volumes. Okay, I think I can sweep this one and this. Okay, sweep. Okay, now I think it may not be a problem. Oh, here I forgot, maybe sometime this can make problems. Luckily that also not creating an issue. Oh, so here I forgot to sweep something. Let me check plot volumes. I think here two more plot elements. So sweep. I think this is completed. Okay, I am not able to see any. I think this is completed. Now we have to do one thing, element type. This we will delete. So we have successfully deleted. Now this is our completed meshing. Okay, now if you want to check, you can go to meshing, check mesh. You can see the connectivity, bad connectivity. Plot warning. Okay, that's all.